is a cab filter? How do you change it? Is it the same as a cabin filter? These are all excellent questions. Essentially, a cab filter, or a cabin filter, or cabin air filter, whatever you want to call it, is a filter that does exactly that. It filters the air going from outside your vehicle to inside your vehicle. And not all vehicles have them. Most vehicles have them nowadays, but not all do. Think of it like your furnace filter. If your furnace doesn't have good airflow, the filter's probably plugged. And the same on your vehicle, like whether you're driving your Honda or your Jeep, or my neighbor's Hyundai is over here. If you have low airflow, the first thing to check, if you have it, is your cab filter, because it's probably plugged up. Now my Jeep, this cab filter hasn't been changed in 100,000 kilometers, so it's probably plugged. I couldn't help but notice I was having poor airflow on the windshield, so we're gonna check it out. Where is it located? Let me show you. So the quick and dirty, most vehicles, it's behind the glove box. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna open your glove box. Now I drive a Jeep Wrangler. So up here, behind all this crap, is this tab, and you just push it in. Oh, sorry, try it again. You just push it in and it comes down. All your shit falls on the floor. And you're looking for a door like this. And this Jeep, we pinch this and pull it. And there's your filter. Now, you're gonna want some pliers or something to pull that out. And just grab it with your pliers here with my left hand. Let's see how this goes. Oh, there we go. Look at how plugged that is. Look at it. Can't even see through it. And if you look really close, you can actually see bugs and fibers of fur and stuff like that. Just like that. And to replace it, you just do the exact opposite and put it back in there. Now, if you're in a pinch, you can just take it out temporarily and get a new one at the store after. A lot of vehicles don't have it, but you want to make sure to replace it because it is saving your heater core. All right, guys, thanks for watching.